While a straight ceiling is a piece of cake to place, a sloped ceiling may seem trickier at first. In this tutorial, you will learn how to visually represent a sloped ceiling with or without a roof window. Let us begin by putting in the sloped walls. Firstly, let us draw in the walls from top view, without worrying about managing the various heights. We will use a helpful tool that assists in the creation of objects, which is available in the At Constraints catalogue. It is named Sloped Ceiling with a Roof Window. Check that the lengths, depths and heights are neither bigger nor smaller than the measurements of your scene. Then drag and drop the object into your layout. A window will pop up, which will help you with the creation. Let's go through what is being asked of you. The width of the sloped ceiling is already there. Then the height of the right foot. Each time a visual help is available on the right to let you understand what you are being asked. This application is composed of 3 tabs. One that allows you to manage all the dimensions of the subslope. Another one to position beams. And a last one to place a roof window. Let's take a look at the first tab. Here you can manage the various measurements of the sloped ceiling. The width of the slope, the height of the right foot, the height of the slope, the length of the slope, and even the inclination of the slope. You will notice that as soon as you click on one of the values, a drawing appears showing you the expected information. Finally, you can close the slope on the left and the right. The second tab is for positioning the purlins and the beams. The difference between purlins and beams is that purlins are horizontal and beams are vertical. By clicking on Add Purlin 1, you will have access to the measurement information. Fill it in as you go along. The distance from the bottom slope, the height of the purlin, its depth and its colour. If you want to add a purlin, click on the appropriate box. The procedure is identical for beams. Finally, the last tab gives you the option of placing 1 or 2 roof windows. Once again, let the visuals help you. Width and height of the window, distance from right or left, distance from the bottom slope, and the window recess depth. The shrinkage dimensions allow for a niche wider than the window. Again, you can pick the colour that you like. This application will help you in several different scenarios.